For jobs that have multiple machine settings, you can create a one-touch program that can be saved for easy access and future use. Here's a demonstration on how to register and use the one-touch copy program. From the main menu, tap the Copy button. Next, we will enter the preferred settings that you would like to have saved. We will now save all of those settings as a new program. Select Program at the top left corner. Choose a key that has not been registered. Select New. Name your program key with a short description. We will use Test for this demonstration. Select OK to save the program. Then press Close to return to the main screen. Now to use that program that we just created, let's click Reset and go back to the main page. Select Program and then choose the program that we just created. You then need to hit the Recall button, which will bring up all of your saved settings. Your new one-touch copy program is ready to use. If you're still having issues, please contact us using the phone number that's located on the Oasis sticker on the front of your machine. We hope this has made it simple and easy.